On Monday, November 25th, 2019, as the party leader of Maendeleo Chap, I was at State House to witness His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta receive the Building Bridges Initiative report. While awaiting for the function to start, I was conversing with fellow leaders and politely greeted the Majority Leader of the National Assembly, Honorable Aden Bare Duale, who was engaged in conversation with Majority Leader of the Senate, Honorable Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen. Honorable Duale and Honorable Murkomen made the following threats to me. Duale, wewe, what is wrong with you? Me, what do you mean, my friend? Duale, you've been attacking us and we will deal with you. Me, how have I been attacking you? Murkomen, we wacha zako, we have to teach you a lesson. Me, what have I done? When did I take either of you? Duale, when you attack our team, you attack us. Me, team, Murkomen, you've been attacking the DP. Duale, ukiguza DP, unaguza sisi. For me, I don't get you. Honorable Duale, you and I get along very well. Murkomen, huyu niachie, I will fix him. Then Murkomen walked away to speak to someone else. Then me to Duale, ndugu yangu, you should not be threatening me. We ni jirani. You remember the time you said in Parliament that terrorists should not only attack Isili or Garissa, but should also attack Machakos? I defended you and said that you used it just as an example and you could have mentioned any city in Kenya. Duale, utafanya nini? Wewe unajua there are 50,000 Kambas in Garissa and I can deal with them. Shocked by his utterances, I walked away from him. Incident 2. On the evening of Wednesday, December 11, 2019, I was a guest at State House for a banquet in honor of the Barbados Prime Minister, Right Honorable Mia Mottley. During the function, guests were mingling and talking to each other after the official speeches and toasts. I was standing in conversation with His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga and other leaders. Someone came to speak to Honorable Raila, and as I turned to go and speak to another leader,